Hello again, everyone. I forgot to mention in my last video one very important facet, saving. Right now, it's got the name of the file as assembly2 because assembly1 is what I was playing with before I started the prior video. When you're saving, it's pretty intuitive. You go File, you click Save, and then it pops up with the folder that you should have all of your stuff in. But what you're going to notice is that the folder is empty. If you come down to your File Explorer, what you should notice if you double click it is, well, it's all there. Right now it's only looking for .ima, that's Inventor Assemblies. That's how it's going to save it. And so right now, what you need to save it as is something that's nice and descriptive, such as, I don't know, box assembly demo. I would suggest you name it something more appropriate for your particular use. And make sure your initials are at the end of it. Go ahead and click Save, and it should pop up into your file if you click the File Explorer. You see how the part is 1 square and how the assembly is like 3 squares? Yeah, that's because the assembly is a bunch of parts you put together. It has nothing to do with however many parts you've got in it. A 2-part assembly is going to have 2 blocks or 3 blocks still. So make sure you're naming your blocks or your assemblies as soon as you start them. Make sure you are saving them inside of your company folder, because what you're going to do later on, I'm going to tell you that you need to send me your demo, your whole assembly. And what a lot of people are going to try and do is just send me that one file. It needs all of these files to operate. Okay, so keep everything for your assembly or for your project inside of the same folder. So right now, if you look at my extensions, this is our class, this is the overall project, and this is my demonstration for this year. Okay, so keep a file system organized and keep updating it, and most importantly, keep all your stuff inside of that file for each project. Take care. Good luck.